it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect addition to your bathroom, check out this shower stool by Rokex.
I love that I'm able to shave with this. I'm able to prop my foot up and shave very easily. It's not tedious at all. It's also great because I can sit on it and it holds a lot of weight and it's very comfortable. So if you don't have a lot of room but you need a seating spot, this is a wonderful option. This is really pretty with my plants, different candies, making it easy for me to grab. I think it's really nice addition to any bathroom, especially where there's not a lot of space. In the shower especially, it's giving me plenty of room. It looks great, and it also repels water, which makes it really nice to keep clean, and it's wonderful in a space where it gets wet all the time. This repels the water, and you can see it right there quickly. This looks like wood, and it's that brown and white color, but it's actually a very durable plastic. It looks so pretty in other places in the home, even outside the bathroom area. Inside the bathroom area especially, it looks really nice and clean. Organization-wise, it just makes everything happier and prettier. I like that it has rubber on the bottom, so that way it doesn't scratch up our floors, and it also makes it more versatile for where you want to put it. This took me no time at all. It was so easy to put together. It was like a no-brainer, could do this. So I absolutely love this. It's very convenient and it looks great in other places in my home as well. Since it's waterproof, it's great for like plants, decor. It just looks pretty. If you have two like me, they're really cool together as well.
We love this, but that's just my point of view.